Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about numbers that add up to 10, or complementary numbers. And to help us talk about these complementary numbers, we're going to use what's called a 10 frame. This is a blank 10 frame because here you can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blank spaces. Now currently none of these are filled, but I'm going to show you what happens when we fill these up. So let's take a look at 1. Just one chip placed in the 10 frame. Now, 1's complement is 9 because 1 plus 9 makes 10. And notice that this one chip would fit just perfectly right here. Okay, now let's look at 2. 2's complement is 8. 2 plus 8 makes 10. And notice how these two chips would fit in just perfectly here. 3 has a complement of 7. 3 plus 7 makes 10, and 3 would fit here just perfectly. 4 has a complement of 6, and 5, of course, has a complement of 5. Now, with some of these larger numbers, sometimes I can tell what the number is by looking at what's missing instead of looking at what's there. So for example, with the number 8, I could look and see that 2 are missing, and therefore there must be 8 chips there because I know that the complement of 2 is 8. In general, if you look at these complementary numbers and get very familiar with them, you'll find that they're really helpful when you're trying to add larger numbers. So I hope that you take a look at these pictures and try and understand how they relate to each other and use them later on when you're adding larger numbers.